Hello, I'm Russell Steinberg, and I want to open the magic of Mahler's symphonic world for you. I've created an audio series that takes you on a journey of 5 of the symphonies, and all through a composer's ear. You know, with Mahler, there is a lot of arcane knowledge that experts love to debate. But we're going to leave all that in soft focus and just dig into the music itself. And I do this by outlining the structure of each movement to help you to follow it. And then I use recorded excerpts and especially piano demonstrations so that I can slow things down for you so you can hear the different layers and kind of build your listening chops. The final movement of Mahler's Ninth is this sublime adagio. And it has this hymn. I'm going to play just 2 measures of it. Now, if this hymn had been written in a more regular fashion, it would have gone like this. Mahler's symphony is all about life slipping away, the end of life. And so he does this by actually having the notes slip away. And so the notes tend to fall down. So the bass, instead of going, goes, it can't quite get up to here. And then it doesn't, to try and correct it, instead of going here, it goes there, but not all the notes and the chords follow, and you get this amazing dissonance. And the resolution of that kind of amplifies the emotional impact 100-fold. So that's how he takes something a little ordinary and turns into something extraordinary. So to get to know Mahler's world is to kind of enter a very special and personal world, and it becomes special for you as well. So what I've done with this is I've created almost, I think, over 12 hours of audio that covers these 5 symphonies. It's the First Symphony, the Second Symphony, the Fourth Symphony, the Sixth Symphony, and the Ninth Symphony. So there's a representation from his early period, his middle period, and late period. The other symphonies I'm not including are just as great, but with this as a gateway, you'll be able to make a lot of sense of those on your own. There is so much material on Mahler available, and it's all pretty great. But I don't know of a resources like this that kind of digs deep into the notes themselves in a fairly non-technical way to help you, the listener, follow them. So my goal is you'll become addicted to Mahler like the rest of us. You'll want to go and listen to lots of multiple recordings and compare them, and then ultimately drag your friends to every live Mahler performance you can find.